You have an incredible amount of power. Why should we trust you?
You shouldn't.
Imagine waking up tomorrow and reaching for your phone, only to realize you don't need it anymore. No screen, no apps, no typing, just one small AI device that already knows where you're going, who you're meeting, what you need, and answers every question before you even ask it.
I don't think most people understand just how quickly machine intelligence is advancing. I try to convince people to slow down AI, to regulate AI. This was futile.
It sounds impossible, but according to some of the biggest names in technology, the smartphone's reign may finally be coming to an end. And the company leading this revolution isn't Apple, it isn't Google, it's OpenAI. But why would the creators of ChatGPT want to replace the very device that changed the world? The answer is far more shocking than you think. A world beyond screens. For nearly 20 years, smartphones have controlled almost every part of our lives. We wake up with them, work on them, shop with them, navigate with them, even fall asleep while looking at them. In many ways, the smartphone became an extension of the human brain. But every revolutionary invention eventually reaches its limits. Think about it. Every time you need information, you stop what you're doing. Unlock your phone, open an app, type your question, scroll through results, and finally find your answer. It feels normal because we've done it for years. But what if all those steps simply disappeared? What if technology understood your needs before you even touched a screen? That's exactly the future OpenAI believes we're moving toward. Instead of humans adapting to computers, computers will finally adapt to humans. And according to industry insiders, that future may be much closer than anyone expected. Because behind closed doors, OpenAI has been quietly working on something that could completely redefine personal technology. And it starts with one very unusual partnership. The secret partnership. Every great technological revolution begins with an unexpected partnership. The iPhone changed the world because brilliant software met beautiful hardware. Now, history may be repeating itself. In 2024, reports revealed that OpenAI CEO Sam Altman had joined forces with Jony Ive, the legendary designer behind the iPhone, iMac, MacBook, and some of Apple's most iconic products. This wasn't just another business deal. It immediately raised one question across Silicon Valley. Why would the creator of ChatGPT work with the man who designed the iPhone? The answer wasn't another smartphone. According to multiple reports, their vision is far more ambitious. They want to build an entirely new kind of personal AI device. Not a phone, not a smartwatch, not smart glasses, but something designed from the ground up for the age of artificial intelligence. Think about it. Today's smartphones were built for tapping, scrolling, and opening apps. But AI doesn't need apps. It needs conversation. Imagine asking one simple question. Plan my entire trip to New York next weekend. Instead of opening 10 different apps, booking flights, searching hotels, comparing restaurants, and checking the weather, your AI companion completes every step automatically. Within seconds, no screen full of icons, no endless scrolling, just one conversation. If that sounds unbelievable, remember this. 20 years ago, the idea of carrying a computer in your pocket sounded just as impossible. But here's where the story becomes even more fascinating. Because the biggest mystery isn't who is building the device. It's what the device actually looks like. And almost nobody outside OpenAI knows the answer.